Hi everyone, welcome back. Here in this video we are going to learn how to solve the formula not calculating problem in Excel. Sometimes due to some change in the setting when we enter some formula or when we change the values, then the formula will not update automatically. For example, here I have added all the quantities sold, and if I delete some numbers from here, the total is not changed. Similarly, here in the sales value, if I use a formula, this quantity multiplied with the unit price, if I go here in the fill handle, then drag the formula down, I will get the same result here for all the cells. So the formula is not working properly here. This happens because of the calculation option set to manual. So to make the calculation option automatic, you have to click on the formula tab. Then here in the calculation option, this manual is selected. That's why this problem is happening. So choose the automatic option from here. Click on automatic. Now your formula calculation will be updated and correct. So this is the way of solving the formula not calculating problem in Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will again meet on next video tutorial.